If I had 10 of these shots, I'd be done.
Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.
Yo, welcome back to Snapshot. This right here is the dirty oatmeal. 1 ounce of Jagermeister directly into the shooter glass. And we'll top that with 1 ounce of Bailey's. Now, the Bailey's we're going to want to layer on top of the Jaeger very gently, as gently as we can.
That was wild.
I'll tell you this, my favorite part of this is the red lining at the top.
See, I don't like that because I know that's where the Jaeger is, so I'm going to try and, like, stir this up. You know, it almost looks like a creme brulee.
I like Jaeger. It reminds me of high school.
One of my favorite drinks is a Jaeger bomb.
Cheers.
I thought you were down in one guy.
I haven't even touched it yet. If you've been consistently watching my reviews, you'll understand that typically drinks with Baileys in them rank higher on my scale because it's a sweet, creamy kind of additive to any type of drink you have. Jaeger has a unique flavor. Jaeger is one of those drinks that you have to mix with something. The Bailey really drowns out that like licoricey bite of the Jaeger and it goes down easy. It's a pleasant shot. So I'm gonna give this pretty high on my scale. I'm gonna give this a 7-8.
I will tell you this, tasted good, it went down smooth, there's not like a strong afterbite. I think about the next morning. When you are thinking about the drink before and you were hungover out of your mind and you had a ton of milk products, if I had 10 of these shots, I'd be done. No. But it was very good. What flashed in my mind was 6.3. I'll tell you this, it did taste like oatmeal. Did you taste the oatmeal in it?
I don't know if it tastes like oatmeal to me, but it definitely tastes like a breakfast food.
Would you pour this over oatmeal? Can we try that at some point?
I love Bailey's. I don't mind Jaeger, but I'm not a particularly big Jaeger fan. I'm somewhere in between. I'm probably closer to Dickey's rating on
He
this
fucking
one.
hates me, dude.
Hey, did you try the dirty oatmeal? If you did, let us know in the comments down below. Like and subscribe. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button so you can stay tuned when we eat dirty oatmeal. If you're going to enjoy this, please, as always, just do so responsibly. Cheers. See you next time.
Actually drink in one shot. Cheers to Snapaholics.
I'll cheers to that. I like Shotaholics a little better. If you're part of the Ferbalicious frontier and you're a one and done, 0 to 90, hammer it.
I'm gonna stop this.